Welcome to Innovision, where we explore the cutting edge of tomorrow's technology today. Get ready to explore 10 awesome ways AI-powered robot technology is changing our future. #1 Personalized learning robots. A tutor that never gets tired. AI-powered robots will teach languages, math, and science. Adapts lessons based on the learner's pace and preferences. #2 Robot companions for elderly. AI carers for seniors. Robots will provide companionship and assistance to the elderly. Helps with medication reminders, mobility, and social interaction. #3 Powered medical assistants. A doctor in your pocket. AI will monitor health signs and alert you to issues. Connects with wearables to track heart rate, glucose levels, etc. #4 IBES mental health support. A robot therapist. AI assistants will provide mental health guidance. Offers relaxation techniques and monitors mood patterns. #5 AI-driven office assistants. No more scheduling headaches. Robots will handle emails, calendars, and reminders. Enhances workplace efficiency. 6. Smart AI-driven home repairs. Robots fixing leaks and wires. Personal robots will detect and fix minor home issues. AI can handle basic plumbing and electrical repairs. #7 Self-driving delivery drones. Packages arriving on their own. AI-powered drones will deliver goods to your doorstep. Reduces wait times and delivery costs. #8 AI-powered legal assistance. Your personal AI lawyer. AI will help draft contracts and provide legal advice. Simplifies legal paperwork for individuals and businesses. 9. Personalized AI news anchors. AI curating news just for you. AI will summarize news based on your interests. Saves time by filtering relevant information. #10 AI-powered personal finance assistants. A robot managing your money. AI will track spending, investments, and savings. Helps optimize budgets and improve financial health. And that's our glimpse into the future of AI-powered robot technology for today. If you found this interesting, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is Innovision, where we're always looking ahead to what's next in technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.